A good quality paint job requires good quality paint together with the right tools. Save time and money with the right set of paint tools. Kooyman has an extensive collection of brushes and rollers for any of your paint projects. From rough walls or wooden fences to smooth indoor walls, we've got you covered. The essential tool items needed for your paint projects are tools like roller covers, roller handles, paint trays, and brushes. Choosing the correct rollers and brushes depends on the surface type that needs to be painted. When it comes to painting large surfaces, you need rollers and brushes for the corners and trimming. In general, there are two types of brushes: synthetic fiber and natural bristle brushes. Natural brushes are used for oil or enamel-based paints. Latex or water-based paints are best applied with synthetic brushes. A quality synthetic brush holds their shape and maintains stiffness no matter how much water they're exposed to. When cleaned and stored properly, a good brush can last for years. Now you can start choosing your brush size. A small angled brush is great for cutting and trimming. Flat brushes are better for corners and lines. And for all the large surfaces, use the biggest brush you can find. For latex and water-based paints, we advise you to use a synthetic roller. You will also have to pay attention to the naps of the paint rollers. At Kooyman, we have 3 different roller covers with different naps. Most of the time, a 3/8" nap is used for any type of paint job. But if you have a smooth wall surface, you can use a shorter nap. Painting rougher surfaces like a brick wall, a 3/4" nap will be needed to fill every nook and crack when painting this type of surface. Painting furniture, doors, or woodwork that are oil or enamel based, smaller synthetic rollers with no nap are needed for this type of paint project. This will make sure that you do not get bubbles or stripes when applying the paint to the surface. Don't forget that when choosing your brushes and rollers, you'll need some essential accessories too. For rollers, you'll need a roller tray, and for the more difficult to reach surfaces, a handle with a good grip and a thread at the end can be used by attaching it on an extension pole. When using oil-based paints, a good solvent to clean your brush and spills is crucial. For keeping your walls and floor clean, you can use Kooyman painter's tape and masking paper. We hope that we gave you some insight on how to choose the right roll or brush for the job at hand. Want to know more about paint? Watch the how-to videos on choosing the right paint or visit our paint department. We are always happy to help.